9 months in, and I'm gonna make this very quick. It's just an update. A lot has gone on. I say that every single time, but a lot has gone on. A lot of painting, and yeah, it's just it's been quite a month from start to finish. It's freezing out now. We are back to winter for sure, but there's heat pumping, there's a couple surprises, and yeah, let's just go down and get it over with. All right, so we're 9 months in. There is a lot to show you. Last month, obviously, we laid the flooring, which we're back to work in here. And by we, I mean Chuck. I have to give all the credit to Chuck. You can see he did all the trim in here. All around the windows, he finished that up. It is painted. All this trim, you know, that's a lot of work putting 3 coats on that, and you know, he's still working in here a little bit, I believe. I think he got all the coats on the top of the trim, I believe. But yeah, I mean, we're starting to wrap it up. I think he's gonna put some trim around these holes. But yeah, I mean, it is about wrapped up down here. He's gonna paint the door the same color as the walls. So let's cruise upstairs. The heat is pumping right now. I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, clean this up. Got it set at a solid 55 still. It's still pumping. All this trim that wasn't there is there. The hallway trim is done. We're gonna do these steps last, so that's why they're not done. Up here, this door, as you saw, was on in the last, is he had to put this strip on here and a couple other things, but this room's done. I mean, oh, he has the power shut off up here because he was getting this light to work. So that light works now. I should have it on right now, but let's just get to the big part. Just checking in here. You guys already saw this room, but let's check out the crazier part. So the bedroom's done. And boy, was it ever a pain to get that upstairs. There's that record player. And yeah, we have a finished bedroom. Still needs some knickknacks and some artwork, and I replaced the floor vents as I go. But let's get into what went on in this room and how it became what it is. All right, so yeah, can call this a wrap. The upstairs is pretty much wrapped up. You know, we had this floor problem, these thresholds. I don't know if those were done. Those weren't done last month either. So we have these two thresholds, which are fine. He was fixing this, so that's why that's not on there. But the door's all shut and stay shut when the hardware's on. But yeah, it's nice to see, you know, completion. And then, you know, all this trim going down is done. Oh, it's such a good feeling. But yeah, the upstairs is pretty much a wrap, other than the scary bathroom that we haven't touched yet. But this is happening soon. I wanted to wait to do this because there is a huge milestone was reached. Might be able to see it through this window. But yeah, that thing right there, it's called a well. And anybody who's ever had a well drilled knows that it's not cheap. It was something that I was kind of waiting on until we got a little bit closer. But yeah, we're close enough now. The living room's done. We're going to start clearing it out. And then we're going to tape off, like tarp off that door. And then this, like, he just has to put like the corner piece on there and like paint and do a couple things in there. I mean, it's so close. And then we're gonna tarp off that doorway, and we're just gonna start coming in the back door there and working on, you know. But another big development, this metal, that is for the windows outside. Let's go outside. This window is the only one that's done. We just kind of wanted to test out. It's just like, it's built-in J-channel on the metal borders. But yeah, this window is done, and then we just have to, we started working on, we didn't do that one yet. Well, Chuck is the one that's doing it. I have to throw out there that if it wasn't for Chuck, none of this would be done or possible. But siding is arriving on Monday, and then we're gonna start siding the house. But yeah, we have a well drilled, and yeah, it's close enough. Like this line going along here, after it's all cleaned up, like that's gonna all be mulch or river rock. It's gonna be landscaped. I'm gonna put some bushes in there after the house is sided and done. But yeah, we have a well. Let's cut to that footage. All right, so I just want to stress that none of this would be possible without my guy Chuck. One of these videos, maybe the last one, I'll introduce him. But yeah, when I say like we are doing this or we are doing that, the only footage of me working that you see is the only time I've worked down there. Like, obviously I go down there daily and whatnot, but like, the master behind, the brains of the operation is really my guy Chuck. I mean, he's doing everything, and he is what I'd like to refer to as like a secret weapon, because it's very rare to come across someone who like goes above and beyond. Like, I'll go in there and there'll be like 2 outlets that I didn't even know he was putting in, but he's like, yeah man, you needed them, you know. it just makes sense to have outlets there. So yeah, shout out to Chuck. I mean, I wouldn't be where I'm at on this project without him at all. Especially because, since I got hurt last year and haven't been able to be on my feet for more than 10 minutes at a time without having to sit back down and take breaks, it would have taken me so long. Like, there's days where I'm just like, yeah, I'm over. If I do like a 6-hour tattoo that day, or 2 tattoos in a day, the last thing I can do after being bent over and seated is go down there and paint for 6 hours. So I'm very, very, very thankful for him. He's done all of it, everything from the drywall to the trim. I helped lay some floors and splash some paint around, but yeah, I have to give the credit to him. I don't want people to get misconstrued like I'm down there all day every day working my ass off. There are days where we are, but like, he's the one that's doing it all behind the scenes, and I'm very, very grateful to him. But yeah, that's 9 months in. I have siding on its way. It's coming. So today is Saturday, the 30th, and the siding will be there Monday, December 2nd. So, he started framing the window like I showed you. He's got to do that first, and then he's going to wrap the house. I think he's going to wrap the house before he does all the rest of the windows. He just kind of wanted to mock up and see how that J-channel worked, because it's like a new metal J-channel experiment that neither one of us have ever used before. So yeah, siding, I'm not going to say siding's going to be done in December, but we're going to start working on it. That's all I know. So it's a mystery. The 10-month mark might have, the house might be sided, it might not be. Either way, it doesn't matter. I'll update you. And then when it's all said and done, and when the house is complete and livable, I'm gonna do like a real before and after, like room by room time lapse of like everything that we've done. And yeah, I'm gonna do like a legitimate before and after video that's gonna probably be like 45 minutes long. But these are just updates. There's a lot of people that watch these, extended family of mine, friends of mine, and like I said, I do this to look back on and to see how naive and silly I am in the early videos, like thinking that I was going to have all the walls drywalled and the floor laid in the second month and stuff. I think it's fun to look back on that stuff because you learn through these life experiences. I could have never imagined the amount of work that would have went into this. I thought I knew. I do carpentry. I'm a finished carpenter. So like I've been involved in projects, but like this house just had endless surprises, endless expenses. But yeah, we'll see you guys next month, and we're just gonna keep this going, man. There will be no rest until this house is finished, and that's all I know, because I legitimately can't rest with a project of this magnitude weighing on my shoulders. So hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you on the next one. It'll be right before New Year's. Might be New Year's Day when I release it. So thank you.